Hello and welcome. I am Tahir, and in this video, I am going to share a quick tip how you can easily record your Android screen on PC, Linux, or Mac. The process is really simple and easy. First of all, you'll have to install an application. It's called Screen Stream. I have been using this application for a while and I really love it. So here you can see first of all these features, and it is available at Google Play Store. It's called Screen Stream over HTTP. It's completely free application, but you can also pay for the paid version if you need more options. Here you can see live screen activity. Let's go to full screen mode, and now you can view my Android screen. If I go to settings, you can see I can choose from dark theme or other option. We have some settings always, set by battery saver and never. Then we have stop stream on sleep, and some other settings. You can also change the web page background color. So default is green. So let's try this one. Refresh, and now you can see color has been changed. We just need to restart screen stream, and now you can see web page background color has been changed. So we have some options, and under image you can see virtual reality mode. We have also option to crop our image. You can also resize image before sending to client. I have chosen 50% settings, and then we have security settings. So you can also enable pin, but this is a pro feature. And then we have some advanced settings. So if you want to add some security, you will have to pay for the paid version as well. Now you can see I need to enter a pin. So let's disable pin option, restart it again. So let's see how it works. When you will start this application, you just need to copy this address. Here you can see device address, and I am connected to same Wi-Fi network. If you are not connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can just open hotspot on your Android device. I am also using hotspot on my Android device, so you can see it here. And then connect your laptop to the same hotspot. And you need to copy this address in your browser. So I just need to copy this address. Let's open a new tab, and if I enter this, I can see my Android screen. Now let's show you some settings. If I want to show some applications or some screen activity or any other settings for my Android device, I can do it very easily. So let's see how you can enable developer mode. If I go to additional settings, I have developer options. Now I just need to enter this code LEVU, and now I can enable developer options. So this is how you can easily mirror your Android screen to your PC. It's very simple and easy. And I'm using Linux. It's MX Linux, but it doesn't matter if you are using Mac or Windows as well. The process is same. You just need to open your favorite web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and then you will have to use this address. On Android, I have been using Simple Screen Recorder to record my screen activity. This is one of the best screen recording application, and it's very simple and easy to use, and it allows you to record your games and your screen activity on your Linux system. So I hope now you understand how you can easily mirror your Android screen to your PC. Thank you very much for watching this video.